That's my guys. Come on, let's go bangga bangga. Ding 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 ding. Inda. Come on, let's go play bangga bangga.
We smash this.
What?
Hey,
Sorry, guys. How about this?
you smash it.
Oh! Hey, stop removing!
Can I have?
Yes.
Here,
What does it taste like?
I'm gonna taste yellow.
Are you... Is it chocolate? Or no?
It's mango.
Are you gonna swallow?
Yeah.
And then that green tastes like green apple? What's that taste?
The green one. I'm gonna eat the green one.
What green one tastes like? What green one tastes like?
It tastes like
Miss Polly had a dolly who was eating.
it tastes like papaya.
Look, it became a car wash.
Where?
Here. The cleaning season.
Eli, here's the banga. Eli, here's the banga.
Okay. Oh. Come on, let's go play banga banga. Come on, let's go play. No, how about there instead? No, not with Koroni. Only play banga banga cars. Hit the car.
What?
Hit the car.
Hey, can you change?
Okay, here.
Hindi, di ba dyan ako kanina?
Ah, yes.
Bro, pang seats. Bro, it looks like a Lamborghini. Bro, I actually hit you.
Oh, parking lot.
Look! Eli!
Yeah?
Na ganito siya, oh, na ganyan siya. And she did
Wow!
a big smash.
Oh, where'd that thing go? There.
again. And
I said reverse.
reverse. Holoko, what did you do to my van?
Look, there's a wire.
Where? Oh yeah. Why is there a wire?
I don't know.
Bro, here's Gino.
Where?
Here's Gino. Let's play with this instead because it's broken. Bro. Bro, here's yours. Here's yours. Here's yours.
No! We must not play with that.
Why?
It will break apart.
Here.
Thanks.
And let's defeat Gino.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I actually dripped.
Yeah. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
Oh! Gino rolled off. Gino? Wait. Gino? Gino? Why did you slap my car? Gino?
He said, you have a scratch on your car. You have a scratch on your car.
Ha, you have a scratch in your car. I'm gonna put it to my car. Gino, I have a surprise for you. Ah, here's more stuff. Store for surprise for you. Ow!
Gino, why did you scratch me? Okay, let's hop in. Hey, stop controlling me. How dare you? 3, 2, 1.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Gino?
That almost hit my face!
Wait! Gino? Why did you love my car and she scratched? Look, I'm driving to my car. Look, the liquid, she scratched him. Why did you do this? Okay, I'll do it again. Yeah! What? Jeez! I'm scratching naman ako. How dare you, Gino? What's this? Uy, wala pa man!
Sorry!
Okay. Balik. Ayaw tama ha. You know, why did you slap my fat car? I don't know. I'm gonna sleep on top. No! Why? Because you do it to me. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Yeah! Gino! Why did you do it again? Sorry. No!
Can I try?
Yeah.
Gino, why you off my horn? That. Ha ha ha.
Oh, she actually drip.
Yeah, that's a perfect sparking.
Yeah.
Hi guys, it's our first time at the park.
Yeah.
I'm in the sala, guys.
Look into the sala. I'm gonna jump.
Thank you for my ice cream truck, guys.
Hey, Gino, why did you not buy my car? I don't know. Because I hate you. Why did you hate me? A big surprise for you, Gino. Wow! A big surprise for you. Where?
Wait,
Just
no.
wait.
Told you.
That made me.
I know. Gino, stop honking my horn.
Why not?
I will
Ma-open ko siya.
honk the horn even more. Beep, 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 beep. Stop it, Gino. Sige,
Oh, where is it, Gino?
It'll be destroyed.
Where's Gino? Oh, I found Gino.
Did Gino swing?
Yeah.
Oh my. Ow, my head. Whee. No, it was just a story activated. Hello, guys. Hello, guys. J-boy, look at me.
Wala, mahulog ka lagi. Here.
Dili
Now
lagi.
it's my turn. Gino, you're close in. Gino, you're close in.
Nope.
Just wait. You're close in. I'm gonna send it. No way. Taste it. Okay, fine. You bully me. Oh,
I will destroy the traffic light. Gino! What? Stop destroying the traffic light. You need. It will make cause all the traffic. It's gonna get fatigued. Oh my God! Let's see how this waits. Come on. Come on! What? Okay.
Gino, wait for your line. You close out, Gino.
J-boy!
Huh?
Let's watch our vlog.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.